I honestly love what I do. Every day is a great day. And I think what makes it for me is people. I enjoy taking care of people, and I feel that it's an amazing privilege to be able to do what I do and to make certain that people get healthier and happier.
One of the remarkable parts about Dr. Lane's practice is the overall atmosphere that you find here as a patient. And it really boils down to the staff from top to bottom, beginning with Dr. Lane and everyone who works here. It's very evident that they are committed to you in a very personal way. They want to make sure that you're fully educated about the process you're about to undergo, and simply want to put you in a frame of mind that reduces your anxiety and makes you feel confident about the care you're getting and the results that you achieve.
In our practice, the patient experience is paramount. We want the patient to feel safe and comfortable from the very beginning of their relationship with Lane Oral Surgery. Our staff is trained to encourage that and enhance that. From the moment that you come to our office until the moment that you leave, our focus is entirely on you.
From the moment you open the door and you walk in, you are welcomed. You know that you are going to be taken care of in a very professional manner. Every person in the office goes out of their way. I have not experienced this feeling in many places in my life, and it certainly was welcome to be able to walk into his office and know that in the end everything was going to be okay and it wasn't going to hurt.
You always want to make sure that your dentist is up on technology, the newest and the best things, and the things that are correct. And I feel that Dr. Lane is right up there with the best of them. And what I have found here is that the technology that they use in this office is way above anything I've ever seen. And what I enjoyed mostly was the digital impressions, because it's quick and easy and not invasive at all.
The ultimate outcome is always to benefit the patient. The ability to do that on a daily basis is just fantastic.